So we just bought a 2014 4Runner Limited. It's got the cool looking wheels on it, but I've always been bothered by how far in they are on the sides there. They just kind of look like pizza cutters and not exactly something I'm excited about. So I'm going to put a spacer in between there. I bought the 1 1/4 inch spacers for it, and I'll show you what those look like here in just a second, and we'll put them on. These are the spacers that I bought. They are AA Ignition 1 1/4. They are hub centric, and the measurements are all here on this part right here. 6 by 139.7 or 5.5. They're 1 1/4 inch thick, and they have a 106 millimeter bore on the center. Okay, so without judgment on the garage, because it's kind of messy in here, this is the side where I've already put the wheel spacers on. You can see here from the side angle. Just push the wheels out ever so slightly more. For comparison, I didn't put it on this side yet. How much further in they are here. So there's your side view. There's your side view. And then here's your side view, and there's your side view. Not something that's crazy nuts, but definitely looks better. So here's the finished product back where I had originally had it parked. You can definitely tell major difference. I don't know why I told you how to set them in so far. But 1 1/4 inch, 1.25, puts it out just like that.